Hey everybody, Justin Cena here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make data-driven decisions to grow your e-com business. And this is going to work, doesn't matter what niche you're in, it doesn't matter what you're selling. Every single e-com business needs to be understanding of their data. And more importantly, you need to have actionable data, not just all of the data. Actionable is the key. And everyone agrees that data is definitely king. But what do you do with the data, especially when you get things like hundreds or even thousands of different data points and hundreds of different reports and huge analytics screens with different graphs and numbers and filters? A lot of things over here, but it really kind of gets hard to even understand some basic business related questions. Who are your best customers? Why are they your best customers? What are your best campaigns? How are you driving customers? What's your lifetime value, right? All these things that actually help you make decisions and build your business strategies, they can get lost or clouded in just report after report after report. We need actionable data, which means being able to make decisions and build strategy off of the data and the specific reports that we get and that we look at. And analysis paralysis definitely is a real thing. You can get hundreds, if not thousands, of different reports. But what do you do with that data? How do you analyze that data and turn it into next steps and strategy and business operations? There's a lot of different apps out there that give you a lot of different data points and reports, but they don't give you the next steps or the education on different strategy points. In fact, I'm going to show you an app that you could install for free to start getting those actionable data points immediately in your store. And some stores look to hire a quote unquote data person to analyze all their data, very expensive. Obviously, a lot of stores are not in position to do that. And really just having too much data can cloud your overall decision making. You need to have specific data reports that correspond to your specific strategies and your specific focuses. And I'm going to be showing you Distill. I use Distill. It's an incredibly powerful tool that is going to provide you with all the data that you need, but it's way more valuable than just that. It's going to give you actionable data. It's going to tell you exactly what types of data you want to focus on. It's going to give you reports that correspond to the things that you want to focus on, so you're able to make those data-driven decisions without having 10,000 different data points clouding your decisions. It's going to show you exactly the different points that matter, and it's going to give you actionable ways for you to get that data into your strategy, for you to make money off of the data points. That's the whole benefit of data. We don't want to just have data just to see a big report and have lots of different numbers in front of us. We want to leverage that into building our business and making more sales. That's exactly what Distill does. And you see the link directly below this video. I'm going to show you over the shoulder in a few seconds, but I highly recommend it. Make sure you check it out. Again, link directly below this video. So this is Distill.ai, and I'm going to show you the Shopify app. We'll get it added into our store in a second. Totally free to install the app, and you're going to see value immediately. You're going to get daily valuable insights and actionability, which really take the data to the next level. And you're going to start to understand what are your customers really like, right? Not just numbers, not just extra reports, but kind of understanding and transforming the data into actionable strategy, into ways that you could say, okay, every single day I'm going to get a new card inside of the Distill app, and every single time I get that card, it's going to give me actionable data, true facts about my business that can help me transform and grow and take my business to the next level. Again, using data, right? Making these data-driven decisions. That's really the key. That's the Distill difference. It's going to give you that full analytics. You're going to get all the reports you could ever dream of, but they're going to be way more specific and actionable to very specific business goals. That's really the key. And you're going to be able to answer tons of different questions, right? What do our customers care about, right? And you'll be able to really understand just on the marketing side of things, taking a look at data and saying, okay, these are what my customers look like. This is where they came from. This is where they're spending their money. This is the products that are going to take us from low ROI to high ROI, right? We're answering questions that are relevant to our business. This is why it works so well. Distill is incredibly powerful. It gives you that actionable data. It's going to tell you what are the one or two things that you should focus on each week to make you the most money. This is the Distill AI Business Analytics app inside of Shopify, completely free app, and you see the link directly below this video. Again, highly recommended. Get this in here for free. This is a guaranteed tool that's going to help you out here. You're going to get insight every single day based on true data in your store. So it's going to be full analytics and actionable insight. I'm going to go over the shoulder and I'll actually show you inside of the back end here. You'll see Distill in action. But this is an incredibly powerful app, literally free to install. Going to give you tons and tons of different valuable insights. A new card, as they call it, every single day. Each card is going to have those actionable data points tied in with true analytic facts about your store. And it's going to help you in terms of a lot of different benefits. But let's say you want to discover who your best customers are. It's going to show you exactly who they are. It's going to show you how to delight them, aka get them to buy more, get them to have a great experience, get them to come back over and over. You're going to be able to find out if your marketing is hitting the mark. Are your ad spend dollars being spent in the right place? This and so much more. And again, totally free app to install. All you need to do is press the Add App button. This is going to bring us right back into our Shopify store, where we'll go ahead and install the Distill app. No technical skills required. All we need to do is press that Install App button. And you'll simply be walked through the little onboarding here while you're entering this information. Enter all that, agree to the terms, and then you'll press the Let's Go button, and you'll begin the installation. Again, this happens all in the background. Distill incredibly powerful analytics suite here for Shopify, plus those daily actionable insights. So Distill AI is setting up inside of our store. This is all going to update in just a little bit, but really the best part of Distill, of course, you're going to get incredible insights and those daily actionable data points for you to run with and help grow your business. But definitely right over here, book a call. Get a call with their customer success management team. They're going to help you not only get all this stuff set up correctly, but they're going to help you understand the data and how to transform this into an actionable strategy, top to bottom, paid advertising, organic, merchandising, everything that has to do with your product and your business. They're going to help you when it comes to the data, and they're going to have access to all the data because Distill is going to have that full analytics suite. So it's that combination of those daily actionable insights and the great team over here. Make sure, again, you press book a call over here and get that set up totally free as well. Now we're inside of the Distill app, and every single day you're going to get what they call a new card. And this is the kind of information here, the analytics, the actionability of what I was talking about. This is where we're going to actually take those numbers and really kind of understand what we can do with them, how they can affect our business. And every single day, there's going to be some different analytics that Distill will point out to you that can really help take your business to the next level. And this is kind of the whole idea about having a further relationship, working closely with Distill. They're able to leverage all this information and turn it into strategy, turn it into action, turn it into a plan that's going to make you money. We'll take a look over here, and this is kind of just a little wrap up of the week. So on a Friday, giving a little kind of last 7-day look, comparing it to how it looked at the end of the previous week, and showing our numbers on a day-to-day basis. We could hover over here and take a look at our actual and our forecasted sales over here in terms of this is the upcoming weekend. They're forecasting about $1,000 a day in sales, all using, of course, past data. Looking at our end-of-year forecast, still on track. Again, we're looking at a nice holiday season over here, but wanted to make sure that we're on track with our forecast and what we're going to be continuously coming over here. And you can make a lot of decisions based on this. Say, okay, well, our sales are down a little bit. Maybe we need to allocate a little bit more money in terms of ads, or maybe we want to do an email campaign and reach out to some of our VIP customers to get some extra sales, extra clicks. And we see average order values. We see the active customer count. We see the total number of sales on not only yesterday, but on a 7-day rolling average as well. So we could see really everything on a click-by-click basis. And this is just one card, right? The whole idea is Distill every single day. We'll go back a day. They're going to give you great, valuable information. How about winners and losers? So we're talking about winners and losers over here in terms of what is making the most money, what is selling the most, what is kind of the new, or what they call the top climber this week. Home is where mom is hoodie, and you even see a little kind of word cloud here showing you kind of what is going to be the focus for your week. You see certified mom top. We see home is where the mom is. A bunch of kind of indications here. Maybe we want to focus more on mom products. See over here, 116 orders over here, 69 orders, 68 orders, showing you the change in the past 7 days. Are our products doing better than they did last week? Which are doing a lot better? Okay, the Duck Hunter sweatshirt. Really just act close, right? I see eight additional sales. This product's hot this week. Let's allocate some more money in terms of ads. Right, again, Distill giving you the business analytics that you can take action to. Not just saying, okay, great, I made $105, but compared to last week, right, we sold 2 more of this subscription. Compared to last week, we sold 3 less. What happened with this? Did the ads stop working? Did the promoted posts get deleted, right? What are all the different kind of variations of what could happen? We see the data here right now to support each and every one of these kind of ideas. Again, Distill being able to work with you on a closer basis to kind of take all this, turn it into strategy. Let's take a look at another day. So we're looking at Marketing Wednesday. really asking the question, probably the most important question in your business, is your marketing effective? Wednesday is all about seeing if your marketing is basically working for you, making you money, hitting the numbers that you need. And we can implement some JavaScript tracking onto our site here. Very, very easy. We'll click the Setup Now button. Really going to take less than a minute. Incredibly easy to do this over here. And what we're going to do is copy and paste our tracking code from Distill. We're going to bring this into our store configuration. So you see copy and paste your unique identifier into the tracking block. So copy, open your store configuration. It's going to open it in a new tag. It's going to bring us exactly into the area. All we need to do is just copy and paste that information right over here into the right-hand side. Then we'll be able to validate that this is working correctly. You see again coming up over here, replace with tracking ID, very easy. Copy, paste, save. Couldn't be any easier than that. Come back over here. Now we're going to run our validation to make sure that we've set this up correctly. Tracking setup validated. Now we'll be able to continue. And now what we're going to take a look at is a much different screen here once we have our little JavaScript tracking updated. And now we're going to be able to actually track all of the different types of conversion connected to our marketing campaigns. So again, asking the question, is our marketing working? Are our marketing campaigns profitable? Should we continue to run our ads? Should we continue to drive money or spend money into driving traffic this way? We're going to be able to see it all. Inside here, we see our average order values, our projected lifetime values. We can see an entire funnel as well, right? We really have an entire dial down into what's working, not only on the first purchase, but the second purchase, the third purchase. Where are we finding, and again, a little preview for the next day, where are we finding those high value customers? Where are they coming from? What channels? You see everything broken down individually. I mean, this is the type of information, this is the type of data that totally transforms your business. Leading purchase, right? Where are people entering in as first-time purchasers? What are the top 3 products that people are bought? This data can dictate the entire year of your marketing, the entire kind of overview and top level, bottom level, mid-level goals that you're going to have, because now we're able to actually see important actionable data right inside here. And this is kind of really just scratching the surface in terms of Distill answering that question about marketing. Here's another card over here, segmentation, right? Really, really powerful. It says right over here, it's time to get to know your customers. I mean, that's kind of an obvious thing here, but when you have data to back it up, it becomes very, very easy to start understanding your high value customers, your average value customers, and your low value customers in terms of what are they bringing into your store, right? What is the percentage of sales coming from these groups? What are the average lifetime values? How much are they spending? You see, obviously, these high value customers are bringing in a huge percentage of our revenue with average lifetime values almost 10 times higher than our low value customers. So of course, we want to focus on them. How are we going to be able to do that? Well, we see right over here, what are they leading with in terms of purchasing? What are they buying first? What are they buying next? We see all of the different kind of informations over here and a little preview for the next day as well to kind of keep you in here, keep you hooked. But a lot of things you could just literally go through, and every single day you need to be checking your Distill cards over here because they're going to give you some more information. Here's that Monday over here, starting the week right, getting everyone up to speed. Again, just kind of talking about our forecast. What should we expect? What did we see last week? What did we see in terms of our average order values? Are they up? Are they down? Are our forecasts still on track, right? These are really all about the different types of information that you're going to be able to receive from Distill. But again, you could work with them on a much closer basis where they're going to be able to take all this information. This is really just kind of a small sampling of all the data that they have at hand, taking that data and turning it into actionability for you to grow your business with the help of Distill AI Business Analytics. So that was the Distill app, 100% free. Make sure you get this installed in your store. Start taking advantage of the data that they show you on those daily cards. Incredibly powerful, really kind of actionable data based on true analytics of your store. It's really going to help move the needle, help you increase sales, help you grow your business, help you understand your numbers. I highly recommend Distill. Make sure you reach out to them, let them get to know your business, see if you could work with them on a closer basis. They can really totally transform and help scale your business, find you that hyper growth that you're totally looking for. So again, link directly below this video. Highly recommended, free app. No reason that you don't have this installed in your store. Get it in there right now. Hope this helps you make some money, and I'll talk to you real soon.